Hello there boys and girls, and welcome back to this brand new Canvas HTML and JavaScript tutorial series. In this tutorial series we're gonna do a simple and easy collision detection with the objects we create into our canvas. And as you can see in the last tutorial series, I really recommend to watch these videos so you can get what we have done here right now. We just created that circle that moves around, and if it hits the corner it will change the direction, and of course count the corner hits here. So first things first, what we need to do for collision detection is, of course, we need two objects. So if we, to get two objects, we just copy a second circle here into it, and we need, of course, to draw the second circle. We will keep it simple here by just call the two functions, and as you can see, nothing will happen right now because we need to update this as well, and we need to update the second one as well. But we declared the clearRect function into our class method, and we need to call this here right now. And now we don't get a second circle because we need to change the position here to make the difference clear, visible. And now you see we got two circles. Of course they have the same value here, so they will change to both the same value. So just make this a text of A, and let's give it a text of B here right now to see the different circles here. And of course it's changing it here again, so let's delete this, just delete this variable, and now you see it's A and B. All right, we got the error here, I don't know why. Oh, of course we need to delete the hit counter here out of it. Okay, so now it should work. It does. Okay, let's make the second circle a little bit bigger. Let's give it 200, and let's stop movement by put it to 0. And let's start the A button on the top of the screen. Where is it? It's not visible anymore, so let's do something like this. There it is. And okay, if it hits this right now, we will change the color, or we will log out something else like that, or we will alert something, whatever. Okay, what we need, first things first, we need to get the distance here right now, and for that we're going to create a new function, and we're just going to say let get distance, something else like that, is equal to function. What we need is we need the coordinates of the two circles, and as you know we got x and y pos, so you need x plus 1, you need y plus 1, you need of course x plus 2 and y plus 2 from the second circle. And to get the distance, of course, we need a formula that is known as Pythagorean theorem, and what you need to do is really simple. You just need to get the result here, and the result is just simple by math dot squirt, so it's the square root, and you need to say math dot pow. What you need is just simple by say x pos 2 minus x pos 1 with the power of class math dot pow, and here we go again, y pos 2 minus y pos 2 minus y pos 1 with the power of 2. Here we go. And of course we need to return that result here, so to get the distance here. And now we got the distance between A and B, and let's just console.log, and let's get the distance, and let's just get the distance of let's say circle 1 dot xpos and circle 1 dot ypos, and of course circle 2 circle, sorry, need of course my circle, and mycircle2.xpos and mycircle2.ypos. Okay. Oh, we got an error here. Ypos. And as you can see right now, if we refresh that, we got a distance of over 500 here right now. Now we need the collision detection here right now. So we're gonna say if, and now we're gonna get this distance. If we get this distance, we're gonna delete the lock. We do something. Of course, we need the boolean here. So if this distance is smaller than mycircle2.radius. Okay, and we're just gonna say mycircle.color is equal to red, for example. Okay. Now let's just start the animation of circle A again. So let's take 2. Let's see what happened. Here we go. It got red. Now, a little bit too late, right? We forgot the radius of the smaller button, so of the smaller circle. So mycircle1.radius, of course, as well. Here, and here we go. It should work right now. Let's look at this. And now if we change the on true again, it will automatically no. All right. We can do second distance. We can say if it's greater or equal, it will be back to black. Okay. So now it will be red. Here it's red and it's black, and red and it's black. Okay. Yeah, really simple to do. I hope you guys like this video for collision detection. Of course, I'm going to do more Canvas tutorials and videos about Canvas, and I will show you more about collection. For example, what happens if A touches the B circle, it will change the direction again, and what to do with more circles, and of course what to do with more objects, not only circles. For example, to create cool JavaScript games. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.